Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can create and verify your Binance account. Binance is one of the largest and most popular cryptocurrency exchanges in the world. Creating and verifying a Binance account on your mobile device is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few minutes. So in this guide, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process of creating and verifying a Binance account on your mobile device. So just make sure you follow me to the end of this video to get it all. And also, if this video is helpful to you, do it to like, subscribe and leave a comment. Guys, let's get started. So the first step you have to take is to download and install the Binance app into your phone. You can do that by going over to your Play Store or your App Store. If you're using an Android device, go over to your Play Store, while if you're using an iOS device or an Apple device or an iPhone, just go over to your App Store. Then the same steps follow. So let me go over to my Play Store since I'm using an Android device in this tutorial today. So let me tap on my Play Store real quick to open it up. Right there, guys, can see my Play Store is opening up. So once your Play Store opens up, the next step you have to take is to tap on the search bar below. You can see it right there at the bottom right. So let me tap on it. Then what you have to do now is to search Binance. You have to type in Binance, and for you to type it in, you have to tap on the search bar at the top. So let me tap it. Then let me go ahead now to type in Binance, Binance. Then let me tap on search. Right there, guys, can see the Binance app right there. So let me tap on it now to open up the web page. Let me open up the Binance web page. So guys, can see the Binance app right there. Can see the logo. You can see the name right there. Binance, buy Bitcoin and crypto. So guys, the next step you have to take now is to download this app. And for you to do that, you have to tap on where you can see install. So let me tap on it real quick. Right there, guys, can see the Binance app I've started downloading is at 4%. So what we're going to do is to wait till it gets to 100%. Then once it's fully downloaded, it's going to start installing automatically. So let's wait a few seconds. Right there, guys, can see it has started installing now. So let's wait for a few seconds. It's going to get installed. Right there, guys, can see the Binance app I've installed. So now the next step I have to take now is to tap on where I can see open on the right hand side. So let me tap on open now to open it up. You can see, guys, the Binance app is launching, it's opening. So let's just wait. Right here, guys, can see this is the first step. You can see what's written there. It says tell us about yourself. So you can see we have two options right there. The first one is I'm new to crypto, while the second one is I'm familiar with crypto. So let me tap on I'm new to crypto. So let me tap on it. Since you're actually creating the Binance app for the first time, or you're actually getting into the crypto space for the first time. So guys, here, this is the sign up page. This is where you can be able to create your account. You can see what's written there. Welcome to Binance. So guys, right here, you can either create a Binance account using your email address or your phone number, but I would recommend you use your email because most times people who use their phone number don't get the code as quickly as possible. But with your email, in split seconds, you're going to get the code for the verification of your Binance account. So guys, what I'm going to do now is to go ahead now to input my email address. And also, in case you want to use other options, you can use your Google account to create a Binance account. You can see down there. And also, you can use your Telegram account to create a Binance account. You can see down there as well. So there are various options that you can use. Whichever one that you want to go for is fine. But in this tutorial, I'm going to be using my email address. So let me go ahead now to input it real quick. Right there, guys, can see I've inputted my email address. You can see it right there, the arrow is pointing at it. And the next thing you have to take note of is that box right there. You can see that box is ticked. Make sure it is ticked. That's to actually confirm that you're agreeing to the terms of service and privacy policy of Binance. So make sure you tick that box on the left hand side. So after that, what you simply have to do is to tap on next. So let me tap on next right away. Right there, guys, can see it's loading up. Right here, guys, can see here's the next step. Can see what's written there. Verify your email. A 6-digit code has been sent to my email address. They said please enter it within the next 30 minutes. So what I'm going to do now is to go over to my email inbox to get the code so I can proceed with this account creation. Let me minimize. Then let me go over to my email real quick. Where is my Gmail app? Let me get it real quick. Where is it? Then let me open it up. Right there at the top, you can see the email from Binance. You can see it right there. So let me open it up so I can get the code real quick. So guys, can see the code right there for the account verification, for my email verification. Let me copy it. Then let me copy it real quick. So let me go back now to the Binance platform. Then let me go ahead now to paste the code. Let me paste it. Right there, guys, can see now it's loading. I've pasted it. Now is the next step. You can see what's written there. Create a password. So guys, now you can see the criteria of creating a password. They said the password must have 8 to 128 characters. That means the least number of characters your password is supposed to have is 8. And also you should have at least one number and also at least one uppercase letter. That means a capital letter. So guys, let me go ahead now to create my password. Take note of that. Let me do that real quick. Right there guys, can see I've inputted my password, so let me go ahead now to tap on next. Wow guys, can see what's written there, welcome abroad. Now I've been able now to create our Binance account, but before I proceed, there is this notice at the top. You can see that notification right there. Let me get to diving into it. You can see what's written there. It says don't invest unless you are prepared to lose all the money you invest. This is a high risk investment and you should not expect to be protected if something goes wrong. Take 2 minutes to learn more. So guys, let me explain that. That notification is right there at the top because we chose from the beginning that we are actually new to crypto. We chose the first option. If you could remember, we chose I'm new to crypto. So those that are new to crypto, they get to give them some 2 minutes prompting. Like they will get to show you what crypto is about, show you the risks that is into crypto trading and the rest of it. So it's not really that you will lose your money for actually coming into the crypto world. It's just that there is risks in the crypto market. You all know how prices fluctuate in the crypto market. It will go up today and come down tomorrow and the rest. So that's the major reason you can see that notification right there. So let me just overlook it. So let me go ahead now to tap on next. Right here guys is the next step. Can see what's written there, stay informed. Do you want to receive updates on tokens, airdrop, campaigns and special rewards? So let me tap on yes, I want to receive updates. Then over here is the next step. It says all new and existing users are required to complete intermediate identity verification to access full range of Binance products and services. So let me go ahead now to tap on verify now to begin the verification process. Right here guys is the next step, and this is one of the most important steps, which is the verification of your Binance account so that you can have access to all of the feature in Binance. You can see what's written there, let's get you verified. The first step, you have to select your country of residence, and also you have to select your nationality, the country where you're actually from. Also the next step you have to take there is to verify with BVN or your national identity number. So it's either you decide to use your BVN number, which is your bank verification number, or you can use your NIN, which is your national identity number. So guys, what I'm going to do now is to go ahead now to select NIN. I want to use my national identity number. I don't want to use my BVN, but you can use your BVN. BVN is also recommended, so whichever one that you want to go for, just go for it. But in this video tutorial, I'm going to use NIN. So let me tap on NIN right away, and there's no need choosing my residence and nationality. As you can see there, they've automatically been selected. Let me go ahead now to select NIN. So let me tap on NIN. You can see guys, I've selected NIN. So what I'm going to do now is to tap on that field to provide my national identity number. Let me tap on the field. Then let me go ahead now to impute it. Right there guys, can see I've imputed my national identity number, which is my NIN. So what I'm going to do now is to tap on continue. Let me just show you guys how you can select your residence. In case the residence or nationality, the country showing there is not your country, you can tap on that drop down icon right there on the right hand side. You can see those two drop down icons. Just tap on it, they'll be able to select your residence and nationality. Let me just tap on the one at the top, the residence. You can see guys, these are different countries. Just go ahead to select your country. You can keep scrolling, you're going to see your country, or you can also use the search icon at the top right there to search your country out. And also for the nationality, you tap on the nationality, you can see these are countries. Just search for your country, you will see your country, and also you can use the search icon. So guys, let me cancel out now. So let me tap on continue so I can proceed with this process. So guys, now you can see it's loading up. So guys, can see what's written there, verifying data. We are verifying your data with the government database. Estimated time is in few seconds. So guys, now this is the next step. It says liveness check. Please ensure your face is clearly visible and no other person is in the background. They said maximize screen brightness, well lit area, and no glasses, mask and hat. So guys, this is to verify your face, so you have to do face recognition. So guys, the next step you have to take now is to tap on continue. So let me tap on continue right away. You can see the next step. It says allow Binance to take pictures and record videos. So let me tap on while using this app. Let me tap on it. Right there guys, can see it's loading up. Then over here is the next step. It says please show the front of your face. So what I have to do now is to place my face in the frame. They say please show the front of your face. Let me place my face in the frame to fit into the frame. It says avoid lighting, and it says please open your mouth and close it. So let me do that. It says please nod your head. Then the next one, it said please blink your eyes. So you have to follow the on-screen instruction. You can see now it's loading up. It says processing liveness check. So let's do a few seconds. It's going to come up. You can see here's the next step. It says confirm information. So you have to make sure your full name is complete. You have to make sure your identity number is correct, your date of birth and your address. So check all of that. So let me tap on continue. You can see it's loading up. So let's just be patient. Wow guys, can see us waiting there under review. You receive an email/app notification once the review is completed. Meanwhile, please feel free to explore our website/app. Estimated time 15 minutes. So it's going to take them 15 minutes to get our Binance account verified, to get our identity verified. So let me go back now to homepage. Let me tap on go back to homepage. Let me tap on it. You can see us waiting there under review. So it's under review. Let me go back now to the homepage. Let me cancel that at the top there. Let me tap on cancel. Then let me tap on cancel. You can see right here I'm back to the home page. It says you have limited access to some services until your identity verification review is completed. You receive an email/app notification once the review is completed. So let me tap on OK. Then let me refresh the Binance app. Let me refresh it. You can see it's refreshing. Then let me go back now to the Binance profile icon. You can see it right there at the top left. Let me tap on it. I want to go over to my profile to see if it has been verified. So let me tap on the profile icon at the top left. Wow guys, can see it took less than 2 minutes and my Binance account has been verified. You can see it there. You can see it right there as well. Verification verified. You can see it right there. Let me tap on it again to open it further. You can see, wow guys, can see verified. You can see my Binance account has been verified. So this is how you can create and verify your Binance account. Peace.